Hello everyone, my name is Paul Awiti and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course on SQL with MySQL. As an instructor who is passionate about helping others build strong technical foundations, I have designed this course to be engaging, practical and tailored for your success. Who is this course for? This course is ideal for absolute beginners. If you've never written a line of code in SQL, don't worry. We'll start from scratch and build your skill incrementally. It's also ideal for professionals who are upscaling. If you work with data in analysis, development, or business intelligence, this course will give you the MySQL skill to start working more efficiently. It's also ideal for students or upcoming developers, be it studying computer science or just starting your journey into programming. Learning SQL is one of the most in-demand skills in the world today. What you will learn. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand SQL basics, learn the very basics of SQL and relational databases. You'll be able to master SQL queries, perform CRUD operations, that is create, read, update and delete records in a database and filter out results. You'll also be able to work with joins, understand how to combine data from multiple tables using different types of joins, optimize performance, gain insight into indexing and performance, turning to write efficient queries. You'll be able to build real-world applications, design and implement database systems for real-world projects. By the end of this course, you should be able also to extract, filter, and aggregate data for insightful analysis, that is, data analysis with SQL. Why this course? This course is beginner-friendly. We'll break down complex concepts into digestible lessons with hands-on examples. MySQL is also industry-level skill, so it's amongst the most popular relational database management systems which host businesses and applications around the world. Practical projects. We also focus on real-world scenario to help you apply what you learn. Lifetime value. SQL will never go out of date. It is independent of programming languages and therefore an excellent addition to your professional toolset. Now let's embark on this exciting journey together to unlock the power of SQL and MySQL. I'm excited to see what you will create. See you in the course.